Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix background app refresh is grayed out. So, guys, we cannot turn on or turn off this option. So, first of all, I can show you the error. So, here to see that background app refresh. So, here's grayed out. We cannot turn off and turn on anything here. So, guys, how can we fix this issue? So, simply go back and guys, first of all, go to the settings app. So go to settings. So simply scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down, and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. So guys, here you can see, guys, simply scroll down. So background app activities, tap on it. So simply tap on allow here. So after allowing, go back, and then guys, after this, check, open Google, scroll down, tap on background app refresh. So here you can see, guys, now we can simply turn off and turn off, turn off and turn on background app refresh easily. So guys, here is the simple solution to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.